Measles outbreak hits the USA. Stay safe with these crucial facts. Did you hear? Measles is making a fierce comeback across the USA. In 2024 alone, outbreaks have hit schools, airports, and entire communities. As of April 2025, over 600 cases have been confirmed across 22 states, including Texas, California, and Florida. What's worse? Many people don't even know they're at risk until it's too late. But don't panic. This video will break it all down and give you real steps to protect yourself and your loved ones, naturally and practically. Stick around, because I'm also going to show you powerful natural ways to support your immune system, like what a coconut did to help my mom in the middle of a crisis. Measles isn't just a childhood rash. It's a highly contagious viral disease that can lead to pneumonia, brain swelling, and even death. Here's the crazy part. We almost wiped it out. It isn't new. It was first medically described as far back as the 9th century. But measles was declared eliminated from the United States by the year 2000. We had the tools, the science, the vaccines. According to the CDC and WHO, 2 doses are about 97% effective at preventing measles. In fact, one 2019 study published in The Lancet Infectious Diseases showed that countries with high vaccination rates saw over a 90% drop in measles deaths. The CDC also stated that measles is so contagious that if one person has it, up to 90% of people close to them who aren't immune will also get it. What's driving the surge in 2025? Well, a combination of missed childhood vaccinations, international travel, and misinformation. It's the perfect storm. And many cases are now appearing in areas that haven't seen measles in decades. Let's talk about symptoms. The tricky part? Measles often starts like a regular cold. You'll get a high fever, which would be over 101 degrees Fahrenheit, cough, runny nose, and red, watery eyes. Then comes the telltale rash. It's small red spots that usually start on the face and spread to the rest of the body. But by the time the rash shows up, the person has already been contagious for days. That's why early spotting and prevention is crucial. It's not just unvaccinated kids. Adults who haven't received 2 doses of the MMR vaccine or who were vaccinated long ago can be vulnerable, especially during an outbreak. And people with weakened immune systems, babies, and the elderly face the highest risk of complications. Here's the truth. Measles can be prevented. The MMR vaccine, which stands for measles, mumps, rubella, is incredibly effective. 2 doses offer 97% protection. And for those wondering, no, the vaccine doesn't overload the immune system. In fact, millions have received it safely for decades. But due to the pandemic, thousands of children missed their routine shots. Many parents simply didn't have access. Now's the time to catch up, not just for your child's safety, but for your community. If you're unsure about your or your child's vaccine status, call your provider. A quick check could protect your family. Now here's where we bring in your wellness roots. Even with vaccines and prevention, strengthening the immune system is vital, especially during outbreaks. Let's talk top natural immune boosters. First, coconut water. A natural electrolyte powerhouse. It keeps you hydrated, flushes out toxins, and delivers essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C. My own mother once felt faint after a long day of walking in the post-storm. She was offered a fresh coconut, and that hydration helped save her strength. Powerful stuff. Next, soursop. Also known as graviola, this Caribbean fruit is rich in antioxidants and immune-supporting compounds. Studies show it may help reduce inflammation and support white blood cell activity. Turmeric, the golden root. Curcumin, its active compound, is a known anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Add black pepper for better absorption and enjoy it in tea or golden milk. Ginger and garlic. Daily use helps fight infections and supports respiratory health. Add to soups or teas. Zinc and vitamin C found in citrus fruits, bell peppers, pumpkin seeds, and leafy greens. These two work like your immune system's first responders. Beyond nutrition, here are daily practices to lower your risk. Using soap and water, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds frequently. Avoid touching your face in public. Stay home if feeling unwell. Wear masks in crowded indoor settings. Open windows for fresh air circulation. Sanitize surfaces, especially in daycares, schools, and shared spaces. If you think you've been exposed, don't wait. Call your healthcare provider immediately. Tell them your symptoms and any recent exposure. They'll guide you through next steps. And importantly, stay isolated until cleared to avoid spreading it. Should you live in a household which is multi-generational, protect the vulnerable. Keep your distance, wear a mask indoors, and don't share utensils. Be your neighbor's keeper. Health isn't just personal. In outbreaks, your choices impact others, especially babies, the elderly, and the immunocompromised. If you're healthy and informed, share that knowledge. Help parents get access to vaccines. Offer to pick up groceries for a sick neighbor. And stay tuned to local health department updates. On this channel, we believe in the power of knowledge, nature, and community. You don't have to choose between modern medicine and natural wellness. You can use both to protect what matters most. So, if you're new here, subscribe. We break down complex health issues in simple, practical ways, from outbreak alerts to natural healing stories. In our next videos, we're diving deep into a Caribbean remedy passed down for generations, used for fevers, infections, and cleansing the blood. And the incredible benefits of coconut and how it saved my mom. If you love this one, you won't want to miss them. The measles outbreak is real, but so is our power to fight it. Through knowledge, community care, and wise choices, we can rise above fear. Let's stay prepared, not panicked. Until next time, take care, drink your turmeric water, and stay well.